In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can make money with CPA marketing using YouTube to drive free traffic to our offers in 2019. That's gonna be a great method for you if you're low on cash and don't have that much money to invest in the paid traffic and things like that. But before we get into this video, if you like videos about CPA affiliate marketing and making money online, make sure to subscribe to the channel, tick the bell icon to be notified when I release new videos. Also, I have a CPA affiliate marketing course on sale right now. You can go check that out. First link in the description or in the comment section down below. Now, without further ado, let's get into this video. Step one would be to join the CPA network. My recommended CPA network is Max Bounty. It's easy to get into. I have a video on my channel that shows you step by step how to get approved into Max Bounty within 24 hours or less. I use that same strategy to get into all the other CPA networks I'm a part of, like EPC Boss, Cash Network, PureFly, Affiliate X, things like that. So make sure you go watch that video after this. So step two, we actually going to go pick an offer to promote from the Max Bounty CPA network. Now, when I'm checking out offers to promote, I like to make sure that it has a high EPC. It's not mandatory because some offers, some good offers in Max Bounty or any CPA network that you can sort it by EPC. It's not like the end of the world if it doesn't have a high EPC, because some offers, you got affiliates that's sending traffic from pop traffic, native ads, and things like that that will affect the EPC of the entire network. So that's just, a good indicator to take note of. I also like to make sure that it's mobile optimized, being that YouTube already has a lot of mobile users. So there's no point in having an offer that's only desktop optimized. So another thing, make sure it allows social, because of course we're doing YouTube for this method. So let's actually go over to Max Bounty and pick us an offer to promote. All right, now that I'm over on Max Bounty, first thing you like to do is go over to search campaigns. Like I said before, I like to sort it by, well, we're going to do EPC first. We're going to make sure it's mobile optimized. Let's make sure we already approved for it so we don't have to fill out an application to start running that offer. Then you can pretty much choose to your liking, but for this video, I'm going to go with per lead. So customers don't have to pull out a credit card in order for us to make money. Countries, I'm not going to filter it right now. Just make sure it allows social. So you're going to uncheck everything except for social and hit search. Now we can sort it by EPC over here. So let's see. Now I kind of want to stay away from the $600 lead ones, especially as a beginner. Just pick something under $10. Those are pretty good. Let's see. Keto weight loss. This would be a good offer you could promote, even though it's higher than $10 or what I just said. I know people running this offer making a killing with it. So yeah, this would be a good offer to promote if you're into for this method. Let's see. Check out another offer. I think this is a good product to promote as well. Go to the next page. Let's see. I'm really looking for one of those survey ones. But yeah, I have an offer in mind, so I'm just going to go and search it. We're going to go with the Opinion City one-page survey. Hit search. Yep, so this is it. We get paid $2.35 per lead. Converts on a one-page submit. And it allows US traffic. So let's look at our restrictions. No brand bidding, no incentives, SMS, or no traffic. So we pretty much good to go. They allow social media with no daily cap with a 23-cent EPC. So now let's actually go over to step three. Step three would be to check the traffic stats of the offer that we're interested in running. So now we back over at Max Bounty. Let's actually go and check out the Opinion City landing page. I already got it pulled up right here. So what I like to do is, what you should do is just download the SimilarWeb Chrome plugin, or you can just go to similarweb.com to check out and copy the URL or whatever offer landing page you on, so you can check out how many visits it's getting per month. What this lets me know, as you can see, 1.2 million visits last month. That lets me know this offer is actually it's people that's actually interested in this offer. So, there's no point in making a video review on something that's not getting, enough traffic. So, like I said, when I'm looking at offers, I like to make sure it has at least 50,000 visits per month for me to do a video review on it. Just because it'll be worth your time making a video review on something like this, just because it has 1.2 million visits per month. That means that's 1.2 million people that's interested in this. That's going to do their research on YouTube. They want to know if it's a scam or not, things like that. That's where we come and make our YouTube reviews and basically steal their traffic. So yeah, man, like I said, just make sure whatever offer you're interested in promoting, it has at least 50,000 visits per month. That's a good indicator of something we can make our video reviews on. They also, if you're new to SimilarWeb, you can check out the top referring sites, the traffic sources, the top geos, as you can see, United States, the search keywords, where the social traffic is coming from. So that's a good indicator of YouTube, 50% of social traffic. And yeah, man, that's pretty much this step. So step 4 is actually going over to YouTube and doing some manual spying. What I like to do is always analyze my competitors, check out the titles they use in description, the tags, thumbnails. I pretty much just analyze everything just to see if I can do it better. Now I'm over on YouTube. Like I said, since we're doing the Opinion City survey offer, what I like to do is always type in the offer name plus review. So Opinion City review, survey review. You can punch in either one. Opinion City review. What I like to do is just open them in a new tab, the top results. Now this is more like a general. It's not Opinion City, so I'm just looking at these two. Let's check them out.
Hello everyone, my name is Anis.
So the main things I'm looking at whenever I'm analyzing my competitors, I'm always just trying to figure out what can I do to make my video stand out over theirs. So let's see, title, channel. So yeah, when I'm first thing I like to look at subscribers, see am I up against a big channel, which is not. It's only got 400 subscribers. The tags, it's not that good. Channel tags, he does have that. Let's look at his description. Not that good to me either. So, like I said, the title is, oh well, it's not a, it's not like he's trying to promote this. As you can see, a complete scam to avoid. But like I said, I could still outrank him just because my channel is bigger. The description is not that optimized, nor is the video tags. So I feel like I could just outrank this guy. Let's see what he actually has to say.
This is going to be a quick review of, and in this video, I just want to give you my honest opinion about this website, Opinion City. So I'm gonna actually back up what I'm talking about. So
all right, so let me check out the second one we opened. Make 500 a day. Taking surveys.
Peace and love to everybody.
Let me pause it for a second. Check out his title, tags, description, all that good stuff. Oh man, this is already a red flag. I know I'm about to outrank him, even though he has 11K subscribers. This is probably my first time seeing somebody just paste a raw max bounty link in here. If you're watching this video, do not ever do this. I'm surprised. I would actually be surprised if he still got his account. Yeah, when you posting your raw link on any social media platform, any website, affiliates tend to get banned for that. So what you could do is just get your affiliate link, mask it. Just make a tracking link out of it. You don't want to just put your raw affiliate link in your descriptions. Either YouTube will have a problem with it or your affiliate network. So as you can see, no video tags, no channel tags, poor description. Like, he ranking for Opinion City, and he's not even. Oh well, he got Opinion City mentioned here. That's it. So that's how I know I can outrank this. So it's gonna be a nice tutorial for y'all. So I'm actually gonna make a video review for this offer live for y'all, so y'all can see my workflow. So yeah, man, whenever, I'm coming to check out an offer that I'm interested in doing a video review for. I always like to analyze the competition, looking at the first 3 to 5 videos, and just watching them entirely, checking out the titles and the tags and the description, just basically seeing. I always ask myself the question, can I make this video better? So the angle I'm gonna go with this is actually showing them how to sign up for the offer. Now with other, if you're doing weight loss or something, you want to do like an actual review of the product. And for that, you could just simply go to you can check out other YouTube videos. You can go search on Google for that product review and pretty much turn that article into a video on YouTube. So you're not having to come up with a bunch of, you don't have to create the content yourself. Me, I hate writing. So I rather just what's the word, rewrite something that's already proven to convert. So that's pretty much my thought process. Step 5 is actually creating our video that we're going to use to publish to YouTube. Now the video editor I use for all of my videos is WeVideo. You could try them out yourself. I'm on the $15 a month plan. You could check that out. They also have a free plan. I think it's 30 minutes per month, so you could get a lot of reviews done with that. But I definitely recommend just upgrading to the paid subscription so you can get you unlimited videos done. And for thumbnails, I always use Canva. It's completely free. What you'll do is create your free Canva account, head over to create a design, and as you can see, social media, you want to hit the arrow over here and find YouTube thumbnail. Now I'm going to, just to speed up this video, I'm going to make my thumbnail and show y'all the final result. All right, so I went ahead and created the whole entire video that we're going to use for the Opinion City offer. All I did was basically just walk them through signing up for the offer. And let me play the clip. All right, welcome to this video. You found this page, or you found this video because you was doing research on how you can make money taking paid surveys at home with Opinion City. Now in this video, I'm actually going to show you how you can sign up for Opinion City step by step and start making money directly to your PayPal. So boom, all I did, walked them through, added an audio, they call it background music, showed them the email they'll receive as soon as they sign up so they can go in and confirm their email. And I gave a call to action at the end of the video. Click the link in the description. This is very, very easy to make. Very easy to make. All I did was add this music. As you can see, that's what you heard in the background, and a motion title at the end is my call to action. And also, I created the thumbnail already. Opinion City review. It took me probably 2-3 minutes to make this. All I did was add the heading right here using Canva. And the font I used, Beavis New. And for the image, I think all I did was search for surprise face. Downloaded that, uploaded into here, pasted these two together, and you got you a thumbnail, man. I also came up with a title, a description, and the tags to use. And by the time I was done with all this, I just thought of something clever. I might as well just give this away as a done for you campaign that you can upload onto your own YouTube channel. So I'm gonna do a giveaway on this video, man. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and leave a thoughtful comment down below. Winner will be chosen at random and uploaded onto my next YouTube video. Like I said, the whole entire video is done. I'm not going to upload it onto my channel. Just give it away to one of y'all. You got the thumbnail, title, description, everything you need. You can just paste everything onto your YouTube channel and start making some free affiliate commissions. So, yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Pick up my CPA affiliate marketing course if you haven't already. Still on sale, man. Haven't upped it to 25 yet. So, yeah, man, take advantage, take action. Let's get this money. I'm out.